right, let's dive into this mystery box. Whoa, this thing is huge. Okay, carefully slicing through the tape. Feels like Christmas morning, but with more expensive electronics. Ooh, Trinnov, fancy. What could be hiding under all this protective gear? All right, digging deeper. Looks like we've got some safety documents. Gotta read those later. We have some rack ears. And what's this? A little white thingamajig? Okay, so it is a SFP to RJ45 adapter. We have a power cable. And finally, an IR wand. The moment we've all been waiting for. Pulling out this sleek black bag. Feels heavy. Okay, removing the protective cover. Bam, look at all those ports.